The ocean covers 71% of this planet. We've explored less than 20% of it. Nobody knows what's down there. But what if tomorrow morning, all of it was just gone? Every drop vanished overnight. What you'd find on that seafloor would rewrite every map, every history book, and every nightmare you've ever had. And it starts the moment the water disappears. The first thing you notice is the smell. Before you see anything, before any news report confirms what's happening, the smell hits. Every coastal city on Earth is suddenly downwind of the largest exposure of organic matter in planetary history. Billions of tons of seafloor sediment, dead organisms, ancient biological material, and all of it open to the air simultaneously. The smell reaches inland cities within hours. Then comes the sight. Stand on any coastline and watch. The water isn't receding like a tide, it's dropping straight down, like a drain opened at the bottom of the world. Ships that were sailing open ocean are now sitting on wet sand, container vessels tilted on their sides on a seafloor nobody has ever seen. The English Channel? Gone. You can walk from London to Paris. The Bering Strait? Gone. North America and Asia connected by land for the first time in 10,000 years. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge appears first, a mountain range running 40,000 miles from the Arctic to the Antarctic, longer than any range on land, taller than the Alps, that no human eye has ever fully seen. It emerges from the retreating water like a continent being born. Within hours, it's visible from space. Geologists watching satellite feeds are weeping, not from sadness, from the sheer impossibility of what they're seeing. Then the trenches open up, the Mariana Trench, 36,000 feet deep, nearly 7 miles straight down. As the water drains, the pressure that kept those depths sealed for millions of years releases instantly. The geology at the bottom has never been exposed to normal atmospheric pressure. What happens to rock formations, ancient sediment, whatever is living down there when that pressure vanishes? Nobody knows. There are no models for this. We are watching the inside of a world sealed since before humans existed. And the creatures. The deep ocean is the largest habitat on Earth by volume. Species science has never cataloged. Organisms that produce their own light in permanent darkness. As the water drains, those near the surface die within minutes. Pressure change, temperature shock, oxygen incompatibility. The ones from the deepest trenches never reach exposure. The pressure differential kills them long before air arrives. The seafloor of the Mariana Trench, when it finally sees atmosphere for the first time in geological history, is silent. Whatever lived there is already gone. Now the climate breaks. The ocean is Earth's primary temperature regulator. It absorbs heat. It drives wind. It feeds the water cycle that produces rain over every landmass. Without it, the atmosphere destabilizes within hours. Weather systems that depend on ocean evaporation stop. The jet stream collapses. Within 48 hours, rainfall over continental interiors ceases. The Amazon begins dying within a week. Every river fed by rainfall slows, then stops. The remaining atmospheric moisture dumps all at once. Extraordinary rainfall hitting every continent simultaneously. Then nothing. The sky dries out. Within 2 weeks, the air over most of the planet has the humidity of the Sahara. The seafloor becomes the new geography. 361 million square kilometers of exposed ocean floor. Wet at first, then drying fast. Ancient sediment compressed under miles of water, now open to wind. The largest dust storms in Earth's history begin forming over the exposed Atlantic basin. Walls of sediment thousands of feet high, moving at hurricane speed, reaching the coastlines of Europe and North America simultaneously. Every shipping lane gone, every undersea cable snapping, every coastal city staring out at a landscape that looks like Mars. Every marine food source that coastal populations depend on, gone in a single night. 8 billion people wake up on a planet that has lost the thing that made it livable. And somewhere on the newly exposed seafloor of the Pacific, in sediment sealed for 50 million years, something is preserved, something ancient, something the weight of all that water kept hidden. We don't know what it is because nobody has walked down there yet, but they will. And whatever they find will answer questions humanity has been asking since the beginning, and raise ones we were never prepared to ask.